Greasy, spicy, sweet. Remove it with one motion. Tired of washing the stove? We'll help. This is an induction stove that will be coated with Ceramic Pro 50/50. Just a few drops of the product are enough to treat the whole surface. After application, wipe the surface with a microfiber, making sure that all spots are coated properly. Time for the test. Let's put the most greasy, spicy, and sweet sauce on the stove. To make things fair, let's set a pot with water on the stove and boil it. The sauce has burned to the stove, but not on the half protected with Ceramic Pro. It can be removed by a simple napkin, but cleaning the other half is an unpleasant challenge. Ceramic Pro creates a unique self-cleaning layer on the surface. Any contamination can be easily removed. Use Ceramic Pro to protect your property, clothes, cars, and even helicopters. If it's protection, it's Ceramic Pro.